Can you get neon for free? It's a question that's been buzzing around the tech community. With its sleek design and powerful features, it's no wonder everyone's talking about it. But can you really get your hands on this cutting-edge device without spending a dime? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's quickly recap what neon is. It's not just another smartphone. It's a revolutionary device that blurs the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Imagine a device that adapts to your unique needs, learns from your habits, and anticipates your desires. It's the future of personal technology, and it's here now. The free neon myth. So, can you get neon for free? The short answer is, not really. While there might be occasional promotions or giveaways, these are usually limited-time offers and often require specific conditions. Exploring legitimate ways to save. While you can't get neon for absolutely nothing, there are still ways to save on your purchase. Here are a few tips. Trade-in programs. Many retailers offer trade-in programs where you can exchange your old device for credit towards a new neon. This can significantly reduce the upfront cost. Carrier deals. Check with your mobile carrier. They often have special deals and financing options that can make neon more affordable. Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Keep an eye out for these annual sales events. Retailers often offer significant discounts on electronics, including neon. Refurbished models. Consider purchasing a refurbished neon. These devices are often significantly cheaper than brand new models and can be just as reliable. The importance of ethical sourcing. It's important to note that while there may be tempting offers for free or heavily discounted neon devices, it's crucial to be cautious. Be wary of scams and counterfeit products. Always purchase from reputable retailers or directly from the manufacturer. While you can't outright get neon for free, there are legitimate ways to reduce the cost and make it more accessible. By taking advantage of trade-in programs, carrier deals, and seasonal sales, you can bring this innovative device into your life without breaking the bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.